the most extremely light version of GTA 5 is finally here, with a size of just around 8 GB. In this version, you get better graphics and smooth performance, even on emulators. Today, we're going to set it up and test it on the GameHub emulator. So if this sounds interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright guys, so this right here is the new GTA 5 extremely light version, with a total size of around 8 GB, and I've already extracted the game files in advance. Along with that, this is the 100% GTA 5 save game file, specially prepared for the GameHub emulator. Now let's start the setup. First, open the GameHub emulator. Then go to PC Emulator and tap on Import PC Games. Next, locate the folder in your internal storage where you've placed the game files. Open the game folder, select Launcher.exe and tap Confirm. Once the game is added, tap on the three dots and open PC Game Settings. First, set the game resolution. If you're using a low-end device, make sure to keep the resolution low. For now, I'm setting it to 1600 by 720. Next, go to the Compatibility section. Set translation parameters to Extreme. Then select the GPU driver based on your device's processor. If you're using a Mali GPU device, you can simply select the system driver. After that, set the DXVK version to the latest available option. Now move to Backup Restore. Tap on Restore from Local Backup and select the zip file containing the save game data. At this point, the setup is complete, and you're ready to run the game. If you followed all the settings shown in this video correctly, GTA 5 should run smoothly without any issues. Now, if I swipe and turn frame limit off, now you can see that I'm getting over 60 FPS, which clearly shows how highly optimized this GTA 5 extremely light version is. On top of that, you can also use the menu trainer in this version. To activate menu trainer, simply hold the RB button and press the left arrow key twice. Once activated, you'll be able to use features like vehicle spawning, teleportation, and more. In this version of the game, you won't experience any noticeable stuttering issues at all. The gameplay feels consistently smooth, with stable frame pacing throughout the open world. It's important to mention that this build is designed purely for free roam exploration. You won't find story missions here. The focus is entirely on exploring the open world, driving around the map and testing performance. Because unnecessary elements, like missions and heavy scripted sequences, have been removed, the overall performance is significantly improved. This allows the game to run more efficiently, with better FPS stability and fewer sudden drops. So if your main goal is to explore the world freely, test graphics settings, or simply enjoy smooth gameplay on an emulator, this version delivers a much better experience. Overall, this optimized build prioritizes performance and stability, making it ideal for users who want a smooth open-world experience without compromises in responsiveness. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.